So hello viewers, have you ever dreamed of making your own robot or building a humanoid? Yes, right? So this is the video which I am making for all those beginner friendly students or engineers or just who have passed their class 12 and they are willing to take up an engineering degree and they have to build robots because there are many enthusiastic students out there who love to build robots, build AI models, right? So this is a very beginner friendly video for you all. I will be guiding you all how to brainstorm about any project or how to deal with the robotics, like what is robotics and how you have to create or build some ideas into reality. So hello, this is Anirban from ROBOBYTES India and I will be guiding you a beginner friendly roadmap about how to build your first dream project. So let's begin. So what is robotics? Robotics is a field that combines with the mechanical, the electronics part and the programming part. In the mechanical part, we design the chassis or the outer frame of our project. In the electronics or the electrical part, we design the internal circuitry that will be working, like the integration of various microcontrollers, integration of sensors, actuators, transducers, anything based on our requirement of the solution. And we use the in the programming part, we program these sensors with the help of the microcontroller like Arduino Uno, ESP32, and we do the desired result through our programming by coding the microcontroller basically. Now speaking about the roadmap of how you can deal with robotics or how you can deal with building a robot on your own, you need to clarify few prerequisites before starting on to building something. First, you need to have the electronics basics, like what is a resistor, how it looks, how to find the exact value of a resistor. Then you have to know about what are the sensors available in the market, like what are the general category sensors, what are the sensors we need for each and every job. Like I'll give you some examples of sensors. Like we use IR sensor, which basically uses the infrared rays. We also have the ultrasonic sensor HCSR04, the module number of it. There are various optical sensors we have to detect the light. We built lux meter using a lux sensor, like the intensity of the light. We measure it and then we build a lux meter based on that. These are some very common sensors which are available in the market. And speaking about the microcontroller which we will be using in the robotic project is basically Arduino Uno is a very common one among them. Also we have ESP32, ESP8266, popularly known as Node MCU. Like what are these? What are the pins available in these microcontrollers? Why they are different? You need to know these basics first. Otherwise it will be very difficult for everyone to make or build a bot. Next I will be talking about how to program. There are various programming IDEs basically in building the bot through Arduino Uno or ESP32. Popularly, one IDE is available where we can code any microcontroller, that is the Arduino IDE, popularly very popular software where we build Arduino Uno, ESP32, ESP8266 based projects. I will be showing few in the upcoming videos. Also, once you know about all this, like how to build the chassis, what are the sensors available, what are the basic electronics and how to program a microcontroller, it will be very easy for you to build any project now. So first, if you talk about the roadmap, I'll be telling you, first you need to know what is the most basic Arduino based project which we can do. Like while in class 9 or 10 you must have done the hello world program for each and every language. Like when we used to learn any language, we first learn how to print hello world. So in the robotics world, printing a hello world is not directly linked, but still we can consider like blinking a LED using Arduino is considered as a hello world for the robotic world. I hope so you understand that. Also there are various projects like line following robot, human following robot. Also I have built various AI ML based projects. I'll show you all those in the upcoming videos. I'll teach you how to link up yourself with the upcoming generation of AI. So these are like a few examples, and first week I would suggest you need to just go through the entire basics, and also you need to understand how a microcontroller works, how the code like the what code you are writing, how it is working inside the microcontroller, and just do the dancing LED or a blinking LED project. That will be more than enough for you. Now moving on to some advanced projects with Arduino Uno, you can build one bot like a 4x4 wheel RC car or 4x4 wheel human following robot. You can make one like using the microcontroller Arduino Uno or ESP. You can use based on your choice. Also you can use the Arduino shield as a motor driver for driving the 4 motors and wheels. So these are how you can first build the basics and then start off with a very basic project. After a week or two you are working with all these robotic ideas or robotic components, sensors, then you will be strong enough to deal with the updated or deal with the more advanced projects based on AI ML like image processing using ESP32, object detection, which is very much trending nowadays within the engineering CADs. Also I would suggest that not only building a project is a main motto. It should be like why I am building this project is the main question. Like why I need to build this. Is it not available in the market, and if it's available, how it is different from the existing models? And the second question which you should always ask before selecting a topic is it beneficial for human? Like I am building something, and if it does not beneficial for human beings or it is not helping someone, I should not build that, right? So always being an engineer, we should think like how something or some solution is helping human beings. That should be the first point of taking up an idea, and then you should work on it later. So I would suggest the last very tip, that is robotics is not hard, robotics is easy. Once you have to just understand what are the tools required to build a project, and those 3 points, that is how the output chases, that our mechanical part should be sorted out first. Second, we need to deal with the internal circuitry, and third, we need to deal with the program. If all these 3 we know very thoroughly, then it will be very easier for us to do any kind of project. This is the end of this video, and I would like to share something on the next one, so stay tuned. And also upcoming video will be on I'll be building a RC controlled car 4x4 using Arduino Uno, so stay tuned for that. So this is your ROBOBYTES India signing off. Make sure you like, share and subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, please comment ROBO in the comment section below.